everyone who's new, I'm the vegan bossa. Today we are gonna have another lesson of some basics in vegan kitchen. This time I'm gonna share with you how I make my nut butter recipes. I prefer the almond and the cashews because they are some of the most healthiest butter recipes. There are many reasons why I choose to make my own nut butter at home. First, because I can choose the quality of the ingredients I put inside. Second, because many nut butters at store are so expensive and doing your own nut butter at home can save you a little bit of money. And the third is because you can completely customize your own nut butter. You can add some vanilla extract or some cinnamon if you wish, or you can make it salty, or you can make it sweeter with some maple syrup. So it's so easy and you can customize it how you wish. Nut butters recipe are very easy to do and they are so delicious that I assure you that after trying it at home you will never buy store nut butters anymore. And since I consume these two nut butters on a daily basis, I also have added some ideas on how to incorporate this to your breakfast every morning. So keep watching the video until the end and you will see many ideas on how to make your breakfast even more healthier. And before continuing with the video recipe, please, if you like my videos, subscribe and ring the bell for all the notifications. And now let's prepare the recipe. As first recipe, I will prepare the almond butter. For this recipe, we are gonna need 2 cups of almonds, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed oil, and a little bit of salt. Start by toasting the almonds on a pan for 3 to 5 minutes over low-medium heat. Stir them frequently until they turn golden brown and start to smell nutty. Then we are gonna transfer the almonds to a high-speed blender or food processor. A very important tip here is to not let the almonds cool down, but they should be warm, because this way they can release all the oils and they can blend very easily. You're going to think it will never blend, but be patient. Doing nut butter at home requires from 10 to 15 minutes. The almonds will go from finely grounded to a sticky mass against the sides of the blender. So keep pausing and scraping down the sides frequently. We are gonna blend it until creamy, and to give it an extra smooth texture, we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed oil. I love to use flaxseed oil because it's a very healthy and it's full of omega-3. Then we are gonna add also a pinch of salt and we are gonna blend it again until all the ingredients are well combined. Then we are gonna transfer it to a jar and cover it and refrigerate it for up to 2 weeks. The almond butter is an wholesome nutrient that we can add to our breakfast and snacks to make it even more healthier. This deliciously creamy almond butter, we can add it on top of our granola bowls or on top of our oatmeal every morning, or we can just spread it over our toast. This way we are gonna add healthy fats and more flavor to our breakfast. The second recipe that we are gonna prepare today is the cashew butter. For the cashew butter we need 200 grams of cashews or 2 cups of cashews, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We are gonna start toasting the cashews on a pan over low-medium heat.
Spread the cashews in a single layer and stir them frequently until they turn golden brown and you will start to smell a nutty flavor. It should take approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Then we are going to transfer the cashews when they are still warm into a high-speed blender or a food processor. We are going to blend them, pausing from time to time to scrape down the sides. You are going to notice that the cashews will go from flour-like clumps to a sticky mass against the side of the food processor. Keep scraping down the sides if it is necessary. We are going to continue to blend the nut butter for other 5 to 6 minutes until we will get this thicky, creamy mass. Then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Doing so, we are going to make our cashew butter more creamy, and also with the vanilla we are going to add some extra flavor. At home you can also use cinnamon or some maple syrup. Just be sure to blend them very well afterwards because all the ingredients should be well combined. Then transfer the mixture to a jar and refrigerate it and use it for approximately 2 weeks. Cashew butter is a very healthy nut butter because it's rich in monosaturated fatty acids, essential amino acids and magnesium that makes it very good for cholesterol control and for bone health. I love to spread it over my toast every morning with some chia seeds, some coconut flakes and some fresh fruits like blueberries, bananas, strawberries. This makes a perfect and delicious breakfast.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video recipe and you will try to do that at home. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.